Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to start fresh with your Shopify store? Here's a quick and easy guide to reset your store to default settings. First of all, start by logging into your Shopify admin panel to access your store settings. Next, delete all products, collections, and pages you have created. This ensures a clean slate for your store. Go to the apps section and remove any apps you have installed. Then under online store, switch back to Shopify's default theme by removing any custom themes. Head to the settings tab and reset your payment, shipping, and store preferences to their default configurations. If you want to if you want a completely fresh start, go to settings, select plan and close your store. You can reopen a new one anytime. And that's it. Your Shopify store is now reset to default. You are ready to build your store from the ground up. Thanks for watching.